Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the company update of gold producer Karora Resources at Commodity TV. Karora Resources is a growing, profitable and successful gold producer in Australia and listed at the TSX under the symbol KRR. It has a self-funded organic growth plan for the gold production, but also they have a growing nickel byproduct production. The management is proven and well experienced, and the company is the world's first carbon-neutral gold producer with a strong commitment to being an ESG leader amongst the peers. They want to grow to plus 200,000 ounces annual production by 2025, with multiple mines feeding to centralized mills. The mines are Spargos, Beta Hunt and the HGO Central mines. The mills are the Lakewood Mill with 1 million tons per annum and the Higgins Mill with 1.6 million tons per annum capacity, which will be enlarged. The company published a record quarterly production of 39,810 ounces gold for the first quarter this year at AIC of $1,213 per ounce, on track to achieve 2023 guidance. In 2022, they showed a record production of 133,836 ounces gold with AIC of $1,174 per ounce. The guidance for 2023 is around 160,000 ounces gold production, with AIC around $1,150 per ounce. And in 2024, they want to produce around 190,000 ounces gold with 600 to 800 tons nickel. The organic growth plan for 2022 to 2025 works through the Beta Hunt expansion to 2 million tons per annum, including the second West Decline development and also the installation of ventilation and services in the West Decline. They also do nickel byproduct studies and pre-development work for an expanded production to achieve the 200,000 ounce per year target. In addition comes the Lakewood Mill upgrade to 1.2 million tons per annum. For Beta Hunt, the company plans 60,000 meters of drilling and thus a resampling of historical nickel holes which were not previously assayed for gold. For the gold part, they focus on the inferred mineral resource conversion. For nickel, they plan over 20,000 meters of drilling at Higginsville this year, 2023. With this drilling is the focus on resource development to deliver short-term production targets. Beta Hunt also moves greatly forward and has already achieved plus 100,000 tons per month from the first Hunt decline. The second West Decline was completed in Q1 2023 ahead of schedule, and initial trucking has commenced in the upper portion. The first of 3 new vent races is completed, with 2 additional vent races to be installed in 2023. Over 400 kilometers of underground development are already in place, which means at current development prices, it would have cost over 2 billion Australian dollars. That is a big value for Karora and not really reflected in the share price. Multiple drills are turning, utilizing extensive existing infrastructure for significant potential for further resource expansion at low cost and in close proximity to mine infrastructure. All zones are open along strike and down plunge. Let's talk about the nickel potential at Beta Hunt, which is in our view something also not fully valued in the company valuation. There are 3 active nickel exploration zones called Hunt with the 4C offset and 40C, Beta with the 30C, 90C, and East Alpha and also Gamma with 50C and 10C. Historically mined the company 66,000 tons of nickel at Beta Hunt. The Beta Hunt infrastructure advantage allowed 50C nickel to rapidly move from discovery in April 2021 to a maiden mineral resource in just over 1 year. 50C has been delineated over a strike length of 650 meters with a potential strike length of 2.6 kilometers to the property boundary. Nickel is not only a little byproduct, it becomes a real value driver for the company. The August 2022 nickel PEA showed that low production costs drive the annual average of $80 to $100 per ounce in byproduct nickel credits to the gold production. There's a great leverage in nickel. 20% increase price drives a 60% increase in project NPV and 130% increase in IRR. The shared infrastructure allows for very low initial capital investment of just 7 million Australian dollars in the first year and around 19 million Australian dollars over an initial 8-year mine life, which can be easily financed from cash flow. The economics are strong. based on Karora's initial January 2022 mineral resource of 19,600 nickel tons in the measured and indicated category and 13,200 tons in the inferred category. All Beta Hunt nickel mineralization is processed at BHP's Kambalda nickel concentrator, located only 4 kilometers away. The nickel ore is sold directly to BHP with no additional processing required by Karora. The sale price is based on grade and tons of nickel mineralization sold. If we look at the pointed figure chart, it shows a turning upward trend, meaning there is a nice bottom around 4 Canadian dollars. We think the first price target is the old high at 7.5 Canadian dollars. Longer term, we have a price target of 13 Canadian dollars for Karora Resources, one of the reasons why I'm a shareholder in the company. Please read the disclaimer superimposed now. The company is part of the SRC Mining Special Situations Certificate, and thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.